help florists around the world manage all of their special events with our software. Basically, we partner with different breeders and growers around the world so their products have representation on the site, and as our florists are building out these events, we are helping them make their proposals, sign their contracts, they're doing their stem counts, their recipes, and they can actually order all the product through our site, and then they are able to track everything that they need to buy. I basically started this business, so I'm the founder, and I created this because a need that I had. So I was an event planner for 18 years in Central Florida, and I did over 800 weddings and special events. So I dreamed about it for about 10 years, and then one day I just decided that I was tired of waiting for someone else to do it, that I would build it myself. I think a lot of young people, like when I was young, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. The most wonderful thing I thought when I left the University of Florida was I want to work with flowers. And so I started working at my local flower shop, was doing all their computers and helping sell orders. And then once I started learning more, that's where I kind of started building up this idea. I was lucky to have some really great mentors that kind of guided me, but it was really a lot of self-trust, self-discovery, and also figuring out the needs of my customer too. I heard about Seed Your Future, and when I met Jasmine, obviously she's a bright light, but the more I got involved with my local university, just inspiring them that they can make a difference in what they're doing with the floral arts. Like, it really is seed to stem. You know, you really have to plant a seed and nurture it before you can harvest anything. So I think if we don't remind them of this big, beautiful green world and show them their part in it, I think there's definitely a lost opportunity.